Am I being ignored on Messenger? So if you want to know that if you are being ignored on Messenger, then first of all you need to open up your Messenger application. And here if you choose a chat, any chat, and if you hold on to that chat for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will have archive option, or you will have ignore option. So I don't have ignore option right now, but you might find the ignore option. So if you tap on that ignore, then it will the chat will go and sit in that ignored box. So if someone has ignored you, then we don't have an option to know if someone has ignored you or not, but we can have some steps through which we can find out. So you can simply open up your Facebook application and then simply choose a person. You can go for the search icon, or you can go for the person's account. So for example, I'll be choosing this person, and if I want to know that if this person is ignoring me or not, then you can simply scroll down, and here you have to see the post. So here the post is on 12th of September. So after 12th of September, this person is not active on Facebook. This person might be active, but they are not active on posts or videos or anything. So if the person that is ignoring you is posting regularly or posting stories regularly, and if that person is not viewing your messages, then that might be a sign of ignoring. So in that case, you can say that person might be ignoring you. And other than that, we don't have any other option to know, because it might be a privacy concern, and Facebook doesn't allow us to do that. Messenger also doesn't allow us to do that. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.